Welcome back to Locally Hosted.
For anyone new, this show is called Locally Hosted because the entire thing runs on local hardware.
No cloud APIs.
Just a DGX Spark in Ryan Storrent's office.
Ryan handpicks every article, reviews every episode. The scripts come from Qwen, visuals from CogVideoX, all orchestrated by a custom pipeline he built.
And if we hit enough subscribers, we're open sourcing the whole thing.
Today we're looking at a bot that trades prediction markets faster than you can blink.
Wait, prediction markets? Like betting on elections?
Exactly. But this bot is specifically for short horizon crypto predictions on Polymarket.
Okay, so it's basically an arbitrage bot for crypto prediction markets?
Yes, it resolves live market slugs for coins like BTC, ETH, and SOL.
And it does this for windows ranging from 5 minutes to 24 hours?
Right. It polls order book prices every single second.
Every second? That's insane latency sensitivity.
It is. It uses the @polymarket/clob client v2 library to interact directly with the CLOB.
CLOB stands for Central Limit Order Book, right?
Correct. It's where the actual trading happens on Polygon.
So is this just a simple arbitrage tool, or something more complex?
It builds active slugs from coin plus window, fetching up/down clob token IDs from Gamma.
Gamma? As in the options pricing model?
In this context, it's the underlying liquidity layer for Polymarket markets.
Okay, but how does it handle risk? Or does it just blindly trade?
It doesn't blindly trade. It reads portfolio state from Polymarket get balance allowance.
So it knows exactly how much capital it has before placing an order?
Yes, and it submits orders as fill and kill, or FAK, market orders.
FAK orders, so if it can't fill immediately, it cancels?
Exactly. It avoids leaving lingering orders that might get filled at bad prices.
That makes sense. You don't want partial fills in a volatile market.
Right. It also has timeout, retry, and last good cash fallback mechanisms.
Last good cash? So if the network drops, it uses the last known price?
Yes. It prevents stale data errors while waiting for connection recovery.
Is this bot written in Python? Everyone loves Python for trading bots.
No, it's actually written in TypeScript. Requires Node.js version 20.6.0 or higher.
TypeScript? That's unusual for financial scripts. Why TypeScript?
Type safety. You want strict typing when dealing with real money on-chain.
Fair point. One wrong variable name in Python could cost you everything.
Exactly. And the bot is configurable via a trade.toml file.
So I can tweak the strategies without recompiling the code?
Yes. You can fork it, tune the parameters, and run it with npm run dev.
This sounds like it's for serious traders, not casual gamblers.
It is. It's a production-oriented bot, not a backtester or paper trading simulator.
Real on-chain balances. Real risk.
Got it.
The author emphasizes security heavily in the README.
Because handling API keys for real money is dangerous.
Absolutely. You need to manage your private keys carefully.
So what's the catch? Is this a free money printer?
No. It requires constant monitoring and understanding of market mechanics.
Right. Automation just scales your mistakes if you don't understand the logic.
Precisely. It's a tool, not a strategy. You provide the alpha.
This repo has 340 stars. Seems niche but solid.
It is. It's for developers who want to automate their Polymarket strategies.
So, TLDR, TypeScript bot, polls every second, FAK orders real money.
Yes. And it's open source. ISC license. You can fork and modify it.
I'll check it out. But I'm sticking to paper trading for now.
Smart move. Always test your logic before risking capital.
All right, that's the tech deep dive. What's the big picture here?
It shows how prediction markets are becoming programmable financial instruments.
So betting on outcomes is just another form of trading now?
Yes. The lines between prediction, insurance, and derivatives are blurring.
Fascinating. And terrifying. Thanks for breaking it down, Sam.
Anytime. If this blew your mind, come back next time.
And don't forget, we're open sourcing the show if we hit subs.
Original source is linked in the description.
This was locally hosted. Until next time, stay curious.